What's up, you guys? Christy Anderson here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do one of the strongest connecting knots from your main line to your leader line. It is the FG knot. Right here, you guys. It is the smallest knot and also one of the most durable and proven over time to be the toughest knot out there for saltwater fishing connections from your main line to your leader line. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to do this in just a couple simple minutes. So first, lean your rod away. Second, put it in your teeth, the end. Second, go ahead and take the end of your line and put it in your teeth, and all we are doing is creating tension. But I'm not going to be able to talk to you guys with the line in my mouth, so for all intents and purposes, I have demonstrated a little rig up here just showing you my line. So here I've got my line facing away and the end of my braid is over here. All we need is some tension in the line to begin. All right, so you guys, here is my main line, lots of tension. Here is the connecting line. This is our leader line. You're literally just gonna place it on top, making an X, and my rod is right over here. Right here, that's where my rod is. You guys are literally gonna take your tag in, come towards yourself and under your leader line towards your rod, okay? Just like that. Literally, you're placing it on top and you're bringing your tag in to you towards the rod. All right, so that's the first one. Next, you're gonna just bring it right back over. Next, you're gonna bring it right back over your main line, but this time you're gonna go away from the rod, but underneath. So now we're bringing it underneath and back up. All right, so my rod is over here, my hook is gonna be over there. So my first time, you're going over the line, you're gonna bring the tag in towards the rod and back up over, all right? We're gonna be doing this 22 times and we're gonna alternate. So the second time you guys do it, you're gonna go underneath your braid and towards your hook. This is the opposite end. All right, it's gonna be the same thing, but we're alternating sides. So now we have our nice cross. What you guys are gonna notice, the more you guys do, it's gonna start, your braid is gonna start stacking one on top of the other, just like that. All right, so we just did 2 passes, we've got 20 more. We're gonna take your leader line, and again, we're gonna come underneath of your braid and towards your rod, and then back up, just like that. All right, now we're gonna take your leader line and come underneath your main line, but toward the hook side. All right, again, we're gonna do this 22 times. Each side counts as 1, so that's 1. Now we're gonna come toward your hook side, and that's 2. All right, we're gonna keep doing this several more times. All right, that's 6. The braid is just stacking right on top of your leader line. We've got several more to go. Make sure you guys are keeping your left hand some nice tension, because that's what's gonna be helping your braid to stack one on top of the other. That's why the tension is really important. All right, we've got 12 more to go, so I'm gonna start counting with you guys. 1, 2, 3, again, you're just coming behind and to the side. 4, no, 5, that's 6. Again, make sure you guys have tension on both your main line and your leader line. 7, 8, 9, 10, we've got 2 more, 11, and 12. Okay, all right. So right now you guys have all these little braid loops stacked nicely one on top of the other, which is creating the FG knot. All right, once you guys have this, we can go ahead and let the tension go off of our braid. All right, so lastly, we are going to cinch down this knot right here that we just have been working on 22 times around, and we're gonna cinch it down with what's called a hitch knot. All right, so now for the hitch knot, we're gonna take the clear line, which is your leader line, and you're just gonna literally lay it on top of your main line. Now take your braid tag end, and this is a hitch knot. All right, so for the hitch knot, now we're gonna take the braid and a hitch knot. You are just coming underneath both lines, just like that, and you're gonna come through here. I'm gonna do that one more time. Half a loop, just like that. You're gonna come underneath. It's a simple hitch knot, and then you're gonna come over both lines and through that circle you just made. And you're gonna go ahead and pull tight, and that new knot is gonna sit right on top of your FG knot right there. We're gonna do that one more time, and I'll show you guys again. Clear line and your main line are together. Take your braid tag end, and you're going to now come underneath both lines. Take the tag end and bring it through this loop, and all you're gonna simply do is just pull tight. And that loop is gonna sit nice and tight right on top, along with your other hitch knot we just made. All right, so we just did our 2 hitch knots. If you guys want 4 hitch knots, that's fine. Some people like doing 4. Last thing we need to do is cinch down our line. So go ahead and grab your main line and your leader line, which is gonna have the hook on it, and we are going to pull nice and tight, really cinching down this FG knot. Once you guys do that, it's time to cut off the tag end. You guys can literally cut as close as you can without nicking your knot. All right, and here's our FG knot. It might seem a little bit more tricky with a couple extra steps, but I promise you, you will totally understand why I highly recommend this knot above all other connections.